Hello students, good morning. Today our topic is expansion. Last class we discussed about how we can find out the formula a plus b whole cube. Now I am just show that formula and recall that formula. A plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube we discussed in our last class. And again, so this is the formula number 1, and second, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. This is another step. The first step is the first formula. Now look at the second step. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's implies that a cube plus b cube, let it be on the right side, and this is another term. This expression has a 3 term. First term, second term and third term. Third term goes to the left side. That is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. So another formula will be a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. This is the second formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or otherwise a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now this is again formula. Now further we explain this formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to, look at this right side. Here a plus b whole cube means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, and 3ab into a plus b. So this expression has a 2 term. First term is a plus b whole cube, second term is 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube means there are 3 factors in a plus b whole cube: a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, and in this term there is 3 is a factor, a is a factor, b is a factor, and another factor is a plus b. So a plus b are a common factor. So we take a plus b as common and rest a plus b whole square. So 3a plus b we are here, and 1a plus b take as a common, and rest a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Then next a plus b whole into a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab, that is equal to a plus b whole into a square plus 2ab minus 3ab, that is equal to minus ab plus b square. This is formula 3. So a plus b whole cube, this is factorization formula. This is factorization formula, a cube plus b cube. This is factorization formula, a cube. When we will discuss about factorization, this formula is very important, which is applied, most applied in the factorization topic. So we discuss a plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Otherwise, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. Then goes to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And factorization formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Now let us come to the a minus b formula. Now take a screenshot. Now I am blot out the whiteboard and we will go for the a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to, we already explained how we can find out the a plus b whole cube. In that method we can find out the a minus b whole cube. So I am writing direct formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now rearrange this expression. This is formula number 1, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and 3ab square. What we will take as common? 3 on both term, a square 2 times of a and 1 time of a, and b is 1 time in this term and 2 times in this term. So the minimum, the HCF is called as a common. So minimum factor 3 on both side, 1 time of a on both side, b is both sides. So 3ab is common. So 3a square b upon 3ab, 3 cut off, a square a cut off, a and b. So b cancel. A here minus as taken as a common. So within bracket all signs will be changed. So plus changed into minus, a plus b square upon 3ab, that is b. So it is another formula. Second step, a plus a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab whole into a minus b, minus 3ab whole into a minus b. Then a minus b whole cube. Now explain this step into further formula. Then a cube minus b cube as it is on the right side, and this term, this expression has 3 terms. First term, second term and third term. Third term is a negative term, goes to the left side. We can write ab whole cube plus 3ab whole into a minus b is equal to a cube minus b cube. Otherwise a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab whole into a minus b. This is formula number 2. and second next step, a cube minus b cube is equal to, look at this expression. How many terms in this expression? In this expression there are two terms. First term is a minus b whole cube, means here is 3 factors, a minus b into a minus b into a minus b, and in the second term, that is 3ab into a minus b. 3ab is a factor and a minus b is a factor. So a minus b common factor, rest a minus b whole square plus 3ab bracket over, then a minus b whole into a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab, that is equal to a minus b whole into a square minus 3ab plus minus 2ab plus 3ab, that is plus ab plus b square. This is the formula number 3, but this is the factorization formula. This is the factorization formula. So this formula will be adopted in factorization chapter. Don't worry, we should remember in this formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Otherwise a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab whole into a minus b, and next a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. By taking this formula, we will solve some problems relating to expansion. This is the formula. There is no difficult to remember or understand this formula. If you understand, if you remember, you can solve all problems. Now take a screenshot. Question number 1, evaluate (2a plus 3b whole cube). 2a plus 3b whole cube. Now it is turn 2a plus 3b. Now I am erase, and here is 2x plus 3y whole cube, because our formula is a and b. So we changed the question a and b into x and y. 2x plus 3y whole cube, not whole square, that is whole cube, that is equal to, here which formula we apply here, a plus b whole cube. We know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now first is a cube, here this is a and this is b, here in middle that is plus, before plus that is a, after plus that is b. So the a plus b whole cube, that is a cube. A cube means 3 2x not cube, this is 2x whole cube. We must put the bracket here. This is silly mistake. Most of students do this type of mistake. A cube plus 3 into a square 2x square. This is a cube plus 3a square b. Here b is 3y plus 3ab square. 3 into a means 2x and a b square 3y whole square plus b cube means 3y whole cube. This is the direct formula, reflection of the direct formula a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now simplify this expression. 2x whole cube means 2 whole cube into x whole cube. 2 whole cube 2 into 2 that is 8 x whole cube x cube. Here try to remember a silly things, a little things. X plus x that is equal to 2x, but x into x that is equal to x square. So most of children do x cube means 3x, not 3x. X into x that is equal to x cube, but x plus x that is equal to 3x. Likewise 2x whole cube 8x cube plus 3 into 2x whole square 2 whole square 4x whole square 4x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 9y square plus 3y whole cube 3 whole cube 27 y cube, then is equal to 8x cube plus 3 into 4 12 into 3 36 x square y plus 3 into 2 6 into 9 54 x into y square that is x y square plus 27 y cube. This is the answer. A plus b whole cube formula. So first we adopt or implement the formula, then simplify, then we will come to an end which is our answer. Then next question. Question number 2. Four x minus 5y whole square. 4x minus 5y whole not whole square, whole cube. 4x minus 5y whole cube. How we can find out the 4x minus 5y whole cube? So a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So first we put a minus b whole cube as like as a formula, right side of the formula a cube means 4x whole cube minus 3, this minus before minus that is a, after minus that is b. So this is a and this is b. A minus b whole cube. A cube means 4x whole cube minus 3 into a square 4x whole square. Put bracket is very important. 3 into 4x whole square into 5y plus 3 into 4x into 5y whole square minus 5y whole cube, that is equal to 4x whole cube. 4 whole cube 4 4 जा 16 4 4 जा 16 4 जा 64 64 x cube minus 3 into 4x whole square, 4 into 4 16 x square into 5y plus 3 into 4x into 5y whole square 25 y square minus 5 whole cube 5 ja 25 5 ja 125 y cube. Then again 64 x cube minus 16 into 3 into 5 16 into 5 80 80 into 3 8 ja 24 so 240 x square y plus here 3 into 4 into 25 25 into 4 100 100 into 3 300 300 x y square minus 125 y cube. This much answer. A plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. This is the expansion form of a plus b and a minus b. Evaluate. This is the expansion form and all terms are unlike terms. So we cannot find any two terms as like terms. So all are unlike terms. So as it is the answer. And next, question number 3. If a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 23 and a is not equal to 0, then find a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to how much? Now, this is the given point. This is to find out. So now, here we recall the a square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a square minus b square. This formula, the composite formula, is applied here. Before last class or our earlier classes, in our earlier classes we discussed about a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, 4ab and a square minus b square. Now look at these things, how it can happen. Here a cube plus b cube. We know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Just we did. And a cube plus b cube, before we find out the a cube plus b cube, we have to find out what is a plus b. If it is a and b, what is a plus b? From this we will find out the a plus b. Now our given point a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 23. Implies that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square, a plus 1 by a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a is equal to 23. So a square plus b square, we already discussed. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab and a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So this formula here is adopted because a cube plus b cube we have to find out a cube plus b cube. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 23. Implies that a cancel, a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 is equal to 25. Implies that a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 23. 23 minus 2 goes to right side, that is equal to 25. So a plus 1 upon a is equal to plus minus square root of 25, that is equal to plus minus 5. When we omit the square on the left side, we must put the sign plus and minus. So plus 5 square 25 minus 5 also square 25. So whenever we omit square on each side or one side, on the next side we put square root. Before square root the sign will be plus and minus both. So first, whenever a plus 1 by a is equal to plus 5, what is the value of a cube? Plus 1 upon a cube is equal to, we know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus 1 by a plus b whole cube minus 3 into a into 1 upon a 3ab whole into a plus b, a plus 1 by a. Here b is 1 by a, that is equal to a plus 1 by a, how much? 5. So 5 cube minus a cancel, 3 into a plus b 5. 5 cube 125 minus 15, that is equal to 110. Whenever a plus 1 by a is equal to minus 5, so a cube plus 1 upon a cube, that is equal to a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3a into b 1 upon a into a plus 1b, that is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 5 whole cube, because here a plus 1 by a is equal to minus 5. The one answer will be plus 5, another answer will be in minus 5. So minus 5 whole cube minus a cancel, 3 into minus 5, that is equal to minus cube minus 5 cube 125 minus into minus plus 15, that is equal to minus 110. So here is the dual value, this is answer, plus 110 and minus 110. Now for today this much, and next class we will do more problems about a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. That's end. Goodbye. Thanks.